अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद है आज आप लोग सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम बात करेंगे अबाउट द माउंटेन रेंजेस ऑफ पाकिस्तान। क्या आपको पता है वी हैव वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल माउंटेन रेंजेस इन द एंटायर वर्ल्ड। और दूसरे ममालिक से इतने ज़्यादा लोग हमारे मुल्क में सिर्फ हमारे माउंटेन्स को देखने आते हैं। जी हाँ, स्टार्ट करते हैं कि माउंटेन होता क्या है। Well, we all know what are mountains. A mountain is a landform that rises high above its surroundings. They are taller and bigger structure of nature. And they are usually found in groups, and that group of mountain is called a range. और कभी आपने सोचा है कि पहाड़ों के नीचे क्या होता है? An interesting fact is that mountains have roots, just like trees have roots. और माउंटेन की रूट्स पता है कितने डीप होते हैं? दे आर 5.6 टाइम्स डीपर देन द हाइट ऑफ द रेंज। अमेजिंग। सो विच इज़ द लार्जेस्ट माउंटेन इन द वर्ल्ड? ये तो सबको पता होना चाहिए। इट इज़ द माउंट एवरेस्ट। माउंटेन इज द बिगिनिंग एंड द एंड ऑफ ऑल नेचुरल सीनरी. If we talk about the mountain ranges of Pakistan, then they can be divided into three categories: Northern mountain ranges, Central mountain ranges, and Western mountain ranges. आइए इन तीनों को एक एक करके देखते हैं। सबसे पहले हमारे पास आती है Northern mountain ranges. Do you know about the first Pakistani climber who reached K2? His name was Ashraf Aman. And he is a Pakistani mountaineer, adventurer and engineer. In 1977, he became the first Pakistani to reach the summit of K2. In northern mountain ranges, we have a well-known Karakoram ranges that expand in Kashmir and Gilgit along with the border of China. Another one is the Himalaya mountain ranges that are subdivided into Himalaya Kabir and Himalaya Saghir. Himalaya Kabir is covered with snow all year round. And the famous peak of it is Nanga Parbat. Himalaya Saghir जो है, it expands into the regions of Pakistan, India and Kashmir. And some of the famous locations of this range are Mari, Ayubia and Nathia Gali, जहाँ हम अक्सर सैर को जाते हैं. The Hindu Kush mountains are also located in the northern mountain ranges. And the highest peak of this is the Tej Mir. Maximum part of this range is located in Afghanistan. At the south side of Hindu Kush mountains, small mountain ranges expand in the area of Chitral and Peshawar. अब हम आते हैं Central mountain ranges पे. Salt Range, Kohe Suleiman and Kohe Kirthar are the famous mountains in the center of Pakistan. Sakisar is the most famous and an example of beauty in the Salt Range. Another is Kohe Suleiman that starts from Gomal River and reaches into the center of Pakistan. At the south of Kohe Suleiman and west of Sindh River, Kohe Kirthar extends and it consists of dry and low hills. Last, let's talk about the western mountain ranges. Kohe Safed is one of the ranges in the west. Hills of Waziristan are another range that are located along the Pak-Afghanistan border. At the south of this range, Tuba Karkar mountain range is located. Jaghi, Sihan, Central Makran and Makran hills extend in the regions of Balochistan. अब हम थोड़ा देखते हैं कि इन माउंटेन से हमारे मुल्क में क्या इफ़ेक्ट आते हैं. The border of the north is safe because of the northern mountain ranges. उधर से हमारे पास कोई हमला करे तो बहुत मुश्किल होगा. These mountains intercept the winds blowing from Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. Our rivers also get water from the snow that covers these mountains all year round. And we also get an extensive wood from these ranges. They also form a beautiful locations like Mari, Gilgit, Swat, Chitral that attract tourists, which is very good for our tourism and the economy of the country. चलें, अब हम इस एपिसोड के कुछ की पॉइंट्स पर गौर करते हैं. Number 1, we can divide the mountain ranges of Pakistan into 3 categories: the northern mountains, the central mountains, and the western mountains. Number 2, in the northern mountain ranges, we include Karakoram, Himalayas, and the Hindu Kush ranges. Number 3, in the central mountain ranges, we include the Salt Range, Kohe Suleiman, and Kohe Kirthar. Number 4, western mountains include Kohe Safed, hills of Waziristan, Toba Kakkar, and famous Chagi Hills in Balochistan. Number 5, the Chagi Hills are famous for the first nuclear test at the location of Chagi. Number 6, the northern border is safe because of the northern mountains. अब हम अपना टेस्ट लेंगे और देखेंगे कि हमने आज के एपिसोड से क्या सीखा. Question number 1. Karakoram is located in the Dash mountain ranges of Pakistan. Northern. Number 2. Famous peak of Himalaya mountain is Dash. Nanga Parbat. Number 3. The maximum part of Hindu Kush mountains is in Dash, Afghanistan. Number 4. Our northern border is safe because of Dash mountains. Northern. Number 5. The highest peak of Hindu Kush range is Dash, Tejmeer. Students, अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.